Hello, it's How To Not To, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to reduce the time to get your clothes washed and still maintaining the smellness of great fragrance. So what you need to do, this is the Hoover H-Wash 500 model, and it's a 9 kilogram drum. And so first of all, let's switch it on, and you want to select on this, my cat's in the way. Sorry, my cat's in the way. So it's called the all-in-one cycle, which will take an hour, 59 minutes to be exact. So I think it takes a lot longer on the synthetic cycle. Let's have a look. Can't remember how. Yeah, the synthetic cycle, which is the usual cycle I use, synthetics and colours, which will take approximately around about 2 hours. So if you want to quickly get your washing washed, then please select the being attacked by my cat. please select the all-in-one cycle, which is half the time, and your clothes will smell great on that cycle as well. And to get a nice fragrance, all you need to do is fill the dispenser drawer to use for fabric softener is this one, the middle one. So I want to fill that just below the max line. So I'm going to just do that now. So just below the maximum line. The reason why your clothes doesn't smell as great is because maybe you're doing them on a longer wash and all the fragrance, softener smells, beads, etc. Fades away. If you use less and do them on a lower time, like the one I've just showed you, then it should maintain. It should keep the fragrance in the clothes. And this is also what I'm going to add to the drum with the clothes is these pods, I think they're called. So I'm going to add one of these as well in the drum. Probably another way to maintain the freshness in your clothes is to not fill the drum up to the max. Maybe use less laundry. Use a lesser load. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, let's begin. So if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to be notified of more How To Not To videos. And we'll find out at the end of this video if the clothes have come out with a nice fragrant smell. And yeah, so just under an hour to go. I'll leave you with the cycle. Enjoy. But do stick around to the end to find out the results of the clothing of the laundry.
Where's my passion fruit? Where's my passion fruit? Where'd you put it?
So the smell test. This smells absolutely beautiful, so it has worked. So I do recommend, if you want the fragrance to stay in your clothes, to do it on the all-in-one. Let's remind ourselves that all-in-one, 59 minutes. I recommend doing it on that cycle. This is the Wash 500 Hoover model. If you've got another model washing machine, then yes, I do recommend, if you still want the fragrance to stay in your clothes, to do it on a less time frame, because otherwise you do have to increase the softener, the fabric conditioner, the etc. You would need to increase that. But if you want to use less conditioner in your clothes and still maintain the freshness, then I do recommend doing it on a lesser time frame. Okay, this has been How To Not To. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to see more how-to videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.